In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover a deleted AutoCAD drawing. Start by checking your computer's recycle bin, as the deleted DWG file may still be there and can be easily restored. If the file is not in the recycle bin, look in the folder where the drawing was originally saved and search for a backup file with a BAK extension. Copy the backup file to a safe location, then rename its extension from BAK to DWG. Once renamed, open the file in AutoCAD to recover the last saved version of your drawing. You can also use AutoCAD's Drawing Recovery Manager to locate autosaved and recovered files after an unexpected shutdown. Keeping autosave enabled provides an extra layer of protection against accidental file loss. Regularly creating backups and saving versions of important projects can help prevent data loss in the future. It is also a good idea to store critical drawings on cloud storage or external drives for additional security. Taking a few preventive measures can save hours of work and minimize the risk of losing valuable design data. Thanks for watching and happy drafting in AutoCAD.